There are so many services to sell for your job servicing business, but which one should you choose? Today, I'll be sharing with you my top 3 most profitable job servicing niche for you to start in year 2022. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So today I will be sharing with you my top 3 highly paid niches. I will explain to you what are the services about, how much is the market price and how much you should charge, the potential profit that you'll be getting out of these 3 services, and lastly, who you can market these services to. These top 3 job servicing niches are not just very profitable, they are also very high in demand right now. The very first highly paid niche for job servicing business will be the marketing video. This service is quite self-explanatory, and basically any kind of businesses need marketing video. Most of the time, these marketing videos are needed by businesses on multiple occasions throughout the year, because whenever they have a promotional campaign, they should have a new marketing video. Now let us check the market prices for marketing videos and how much that we can charge our clients. So let's search for marketing video pricing, and we can see roughly how much the market costs for a market video. So we do not look for a production because we are not job servicing any video production. So basically we want something like just a promotional video which uses probably 3D marketing video, animated video, or marketing video which includes videos provided by our client. So just a very basic marketing video. So from here we can see that roughly the price for affordable video marketing will be between $1,500 to $3,000. Now let us check the Fiverr freelancer, how much are people charging for this. Okay, what's our cost? So for video marketing, you search for video marketing on Fiverr. Okay, so let's check one of these Fiverr seller. And this is making brand commercial promotional explainer video ads. So for a basic 15 seconds, this freelancer is charging $100. And because just now we saw that the market price for video marketing is roughly about between $1,500 to $3,000. So if we choose the premium one, it is $250. Our profit is really high, the profit margin is very high. So for example, if let's say you were to charge $1,500, then your profit is going to be $1,250. Yeah, so this is roughly okay, but of course there are many small details. So I chose this freelancer because it gives us 4K video, which is very high resolution video. It's a very good quality video, and it's 60 seconds. Usually promotional video is less than 2 minutes, so at most it's 1 minute is good enough. So $250, very reasonable price, and your potential profit is more than $1,000. So who should you market the marketing videos to? Basically, you can market them to e-commerce owners, local bakery, beauty salon, real estate agents, and many more. The next most profitable job servicing niche is SEO services. As long as a business owns a website, that business definitely needs SEO services. So what is SEO services? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Each business should have a set of keywords that represent their business. So for example, if you own a pet grooming business and you want to rank keywords like dog grooming in Singapore or cat grooming services in Singapore, then you need to rank these keywords on the first page of Google search engine. Generally, businesses just want to ensure that their customers are able to find their business through different types of keywords. And in order for them to rank certain keywords at the first or the second page of Google search engine, then they need to engage somebody very experienced in terms of SEO, and that is why this service, SEO service, is very high in demand, and businesses are willing to pay high price for this. Now let us check how much is the SEO services packages are like. So at a glance, we can see that SEO services are charged between $1,500 $500 to $5,000 per month based on the project scope. So what we want to do is just have an average, have a gauge how much usually people are charging or what is the market price. So you can charge it between $1,500 to $5,000. And after this, you can go ahead and see how much is the potential profit. So what we do here is you go to fiverr.com and search for SEO services. So generally, you can see how much are people charging for the SEO services. So generally these are your costs. So these are the charged by the freelancers. So for example, if this is a top rated seller, which is fantastic. The reviews are very good. And you can see for the basic package is $335. The premium one is $795. So if you want to charge something like, let's say $2,000 SEO package, you can always go for the premium one. Give your clients a better package so you can actually give them the premium, which is $795. So based on $2,000, you can actually make about $1,002 for a package, okay? Some examples of businesses that need SEO services are interior designers, pet groomers, as I've mentioned just now, printing companies, medical providers, and many more. The third highly paid niche for job servicing business will be sales copywriting. So sales copywriting is written text or copy used in marketing or promotional materials. Hence, we call this a sales copywriting because this text or this full text is going to make somebody buy something. So this is very important and is very high in demand. You can usually see sales copy in email marketing, landing pages, websites, as well as advertisements. Let us check the prices for sales copywriting. So for sales copywriting, you just need to search sales copywriting prices, and on the first page, you can roughly see how much that we can charge for sales copywriting. So there are many different price range here, and okay, so most of them, they are based on how many pages are the copywriting. So for example, we want something like 2 to 4 pages, for example. So the range would be $1,200 to $2,000. And let us check Fiverr Freelancer how much they are charging for a sales copywriting. Okay, so this one is a landing page copywriting, sales page copywriting service. For the premium service, they are charging $180 for 1,000 words. So 1,000 words, basically, you can go up about 2 pages, and this is $180. Let's say you want to charge $1,000 for a copywriting for, let's say, a long form sales letter. So usually long form sales letter is like 1 whole or 2 pages of a website or even a landing page, and it gives you 1,000 words. So this is $180, and if you charge $1,000, so you can earn $820. Yeah, so this is the potential profit for a sales landing page or sales copywriting. The target audience for sales copywriting services are usually any kind of salesman, namely insurance agents, property agents, coaches, fitness trainers, affiliate marketers, internet marketers, online sellers, and many more. Here's a little school for thought. What do these 3 job servicing niches have in common? Do you realize that these 3 niches are helping businesses to get more sales? The perceived value for each of these services is very high, and that is why they are highly paid. So in conclusion, if you want to find services to sell for your job servicing business, definitely find a service that can help businesses grow their business. This way you can negotiate a higher price for the packages that you are selling. So that's all for my video today. I hope you have learned something new today, and I hope that this video can help you in your job servicing journey. If you have any questions regarding today's video, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about job servicing, I have more tutorials over here, so make sure that you check them out. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!